Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a tag, a summer go-to tag. Miss My So-Called Life 1977. She did it. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to do it too. She's amazing. Go follow her. She had 7 questions, and I think she got it from someone else, but I found it through her. And go ahead and check them out. If you want to also participate in this tag, I'm going to have the questions down below that she had so that you guys could go ahead and participate. Let me know if you do it so I could also watch it. How are you guys doing? Happy July. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the summer. I'm going to do this real quick and then I am going to shoot out the house and I'll let you know how my day went. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog it for you guys. We'll see. Okay, so it's called Summer Go-To Tag. Number 1, a go-to summer outfit. My outfits are really simple. It's not a lot because it's really hot here in South Florida. But the shorts that you guys seen I'm already here. It's right here, so I was like, let me just grab it. Are these shorts that I had worn, and they're super cute, very comfortable. I got these from Ross. You'll be able to see these on my Ross haul. It is super amazing, super comfortable. That and any kind of t-shirt. I have a variety of Mickey Mouse t-shirts, and that is my all summer long outfit. That is my favorite short for the summer, for sure. All right, my go-to summer vacation. Well, this year we're going to the Great Cabin Lodge here in Georgia. They just built that one last year. We're taking the kids out there. I'm not too intrigued or excited about it so far, and I have not gone yet. I'll be going there towards the end of the year, the end of July, and I could have went on a cruise. I could have been on a Disney cruise for less. And if you know, I did this with a group of family that I normally travel with the kids, and we'll see how it goes. You know, food are not included in these type of things, and I have 3 growing boys, so it's a concern. I'll definitely vlog it to let you guys know. We'll be there for 5 days, so we'll see. It's a road trip. We'll make it as pleasant as possible, but we are like an all-exclusive type of family who likes to either have our own kitchen or do, like for an example, what we did for the cabin, where we had our own house and we was able to go food shopping and cook. But when you're trapped in a hotel and you're stuck with like nothing, there's no stove or like a mini fridge kind of setting, and this is not like a cruise ship where you could just go upstairs and get whatever you want, that's when you get a concern. And it was really pricey. It's pretty expensive to do this, and the only highlight that they have technically is this indoor water activity, and the reviews on that, they said it's very full. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it changes to be something good, but I will definitely keep you guys posted. I am looking forward to July 2020 when we are putting our kids on a weekend cruise. It might be a 5-6 days, but they've upgraded Coco Cay for Royal Caribbean, and they have a lot of cool things on the island, and I just can't wait to put them on that ship. Plus we haven't cruised in God knows how long. I feel like it's been 3-4 years now, so I'm looking forward to that, and next July will be here before you know it. Number 3, go-to summer beverage. There is a drink that Bahama Breeze have. It's a daiquiri drink, passion fruit, that I like. There's another drink that I like. It's an iced tea that I actually make. It's iced tea, and I mix it with some Maui and mint. And then I also have another one that I make with a mojito blend with fresh mints that I love. So it's 3 different kinds, 2 that I make and 1 from Bahama Breeze, that are very unique, that I enjoy very much. Number 4, my go-to summer glowing products. This was in my favorites. This causes a lot of attention. I put it on my shoulders. This is an amazing glowing effect, so it's amazing. It's the Cover FX glitter drop, and when the sun hits you, it looks amazing. Definitely will be taking that on my trip to Jamaica. Number 5, go to summer hair removal process. What is that? Is that like a regular shaving? As mine is just a regular NARS shaving thing that is, I can't see it now, but it's pretty standard, pretty normal, something you can get at Walmart. Never switched it out, never changed it, but that's the kind of shaver that I normally use for my legs. Number 6, go to summer makeup product. Here it is. This is the number 1. Every summer I pull this beautiful, amazing palette that my YT BFF brought out. Got me with these beautiful colors, and I love wearing these in July. It's just beautiful pigments, and it's amazing. So that is the it's the Vice by Urban Decay. All right. And the last question, your go-to summer picnic / backyard cookout dish. Now, we've already had a lot of cookouts in the backyard, but my favorite one is this chicken thigh seasoning that my sister does. And we have a slider that she makes. She custom makes the turkey meat with soy sauce and a couple of bell peppers. We blend it and she puts it on the grill. And we put the Swiss cheese on top of it. And it's like one of the best summer treats known to man. And that we do here in the backyard. And that is all 7 questions. Let me know if you guys are going to participate, so I could go ahead and take a look and comment down below how you feel about these questions. And you guys continue on being a blessing, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.